So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I will be showing you how to send an e-transfer here on a Tangerine Bank. So once the Tangerine Bank app is opened up on this bottom bar, I want you to select on where it says Move Money. Once you're on the Move Money page right here, two options down, it says Send an Interac e-transfer. Go ahead and select that. Now, in order to go ahead and send an Interac e-transfer, which is, by the way, is for free in this case, you'd have to go ahead and have a checking account in this feature. So make sure that you go to the bottom, open up a checking account, and once that is done, you can proceed with the e-transfer this way. So it's super simple, super straightforward. So once again, go to the bottom right, press on Move Money, select Interac e-transfer right here to send an e-transfer. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can send an e-transfer here on the Tangerine Bank application. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.